everyone, I'm Rhonda, the Mature Diva. It's been about a year since I did my first video addressing my struggles with pre-diabetes, weight gain, my struggle to get my health back on track. And I'm here to discuss my weight loss and my newest tool to help me on my journey to get healthy and my weight loss. So let's get real. I've had some ups and downs, and I've had some struggles and some wins, but the journey has been worth it. I am super excited to say that I now weigh in the 170s. This is me, no Spanx, and it feels wonderful. Y'all, I haven't weighed in the 170s in decades, so let's chat. Okay, everyone, please keep in mind that these are my own personal results and my own experience. This is not an endorsement for any product that I'm mentioning in this video. And also, please check with your own doctor for your own weight loss plan for success. And I'd love for you to like this video and subscribe to this channel so we can grow this community and help others. So here's my update. If you remember when I started my journey at my highest recorded weight, I was like 228 pounds. Honey, I was depressed and unhappy with the way that I felt and the way that I looked. Nothing fit. Everything was elastic and 2XL, and I was tired all the time. And you know what? I was addicted to sugar. So my doctor had been after me for a long time. Not just one, several of my doctors had been after me for a long time to make a change. And I just wasn't hearing it until my endocrinologist told me that I weighed 228 pounds. Again,
228 pounds.
Okay, so I am 2 pounds away from 230 pounds. I'm thinking, okay, 250 pounds is next. I have high blood pressure. I have pre-diabetes. So that combination is pretty much a combination for a stroke. And I'm thinking to myself, okay, I cannot do this to my parents. I cannot do this to my husband to put them in a position where they have to take care of me. And I'm still a young woman in my mind. So I decided to put in the work because I needed to make a change. And one thing I decided to do immediately was get over my fear and reluctance to inject myself with needles. So I knew I had to go on Ozempic. And that was the best decision that I made. That and eating healthier and walking made a great difference in my weight loss. So things are going well. I'm eating healthier. I'm taking the Ozempic. I'm walking. And I get into the 190 pound range. And I am happy. So then, guess what? I get into the 180s. I am 188 pounds. Looking slimmer, I'm feeling better. Then something happened. Man, I plateaued, got depressed, things shifted. Woo, let me tell you about that ride. That was not pretty at all. So I got overwhelmed at work, other responsibilities, and I packed on 10 pounds in a very short amount of time. But I didn't even notice. But you know who did? My doctor. Just so happens that I had a doctor's appointment and it reflected on my scale, and my doctor checked me real quick. She wasn't happy with my results at all. In fact, she was just downright mad. She was upset with me because I had ballooned back up to 198 pounds. So I told her what was going on in my life, and basically she wasn't trying to hear any of my excuses. And she told me that I needed to make some personal life changes regarding my stress level. And she recommended that I see a nutritionist and that I start on a medicine called Qsymia, which is an appetite suppressant. Here's the thing, I didn't want to go on another pill. So I really wasn't excited about going on Qsymia, this appetite suppressant. But I had started to slip. I was stressed out at work and some other things going on in my life. And I had even more people in my life that wanted me to take on more responsibility on a voluntary basis. And I wasn't eating right, I wasn't exercising. So yeah, I decided that I was going to go on Qsymia for a 1-month trial and then visit the nutritionist and my doctor in 1 month to see the results. Guys, when I went back for my check-in, I had lost exactly 10 pounds in 30 days. My doctor, my nutritionist, and I were ecstatic with the results. I was back down to 188 pounds. So guess what they did? They re-upped. They said, well, if you did it in 1 month, let's try it again. So they increased my Qsymia prescription. But, this time I didn't do as well. It made me a little sick. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. I had some difficulty adjusting to the new prescription. So I had to take it once every other day. But when I went back in 30 days, I lost another 10 pounds. So then I'm at 178 pounds. So guess what happens now? Wrong. I go on vacation in Miami and I only gained 1.6 pounds because I had talked to my nutritionist about expectations during vacation. So I went to Miami for a week. I did eat some things that were not exactly nutritious, but I'm human, so I had a good time. I ate some good food. I came back 1.6 pounds heavier, and now I'm back on my routine. So now that I'm back from vacation and I'm back on my routine, I have weighed myself and I'm back to 176.2. So at my highest recorded weight, I was 228 pounds. I'm down to now 176.2 pounds, which is a weight loss of a little over 50 pounds. So this is with the help of Qsymia and Ozempic, eating healthier and walking and drinking plenty of water. So yeah, it did take me over a year, but I am very pleased with my results. I started out at a size 18, a very tight 18, which technically means that I should have been in a size 20. I am now wearing a size 12. So I'm very happy with my results. Family, that is all that I have to report to you right now. I am so happy with my results. I'm 54 years old and I am really looking forward to seeing what Qsymia and Ozempic and walking and just a healthier lifestyle is going to bring in at age 55. So I'm going to bring sexy back. I would love to hear some of your great results if you've been on Ozempic. I'm going to start sharing some of my recipes that I've learned along the way. And I'm also going to share some of my details on my Qsymia experience, so stay tuned for those videos. I think seeing real people go through the journey can help others. It's not always a series of quick wins and quick weight loss. At least it wasn't in my case. We have some good days and we have some bad days, and then there's some days that are just downright brutal. But you know what? We conquer, we get back up, and we do it again. So that's what we're doing here. We're sharing, we're learning, we're encouraging. So stay strong and do what you need to do to get healthy and look fabulous. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing about your weight loss success. See you in the next video.